What is up, guys? So I'm at my favorite spot today, and hopefully we can catch some bass and catfish. So let's get into it. And I was using the drop shot, which I've never used before, and then this happened. Oh, no way. First bass off the drop shot. I don't think I have this rigged right, so I'm gonna switch to something else. But let me know in the comments how I should rig this, because I've never used a drop shot before. Then I threw out a piece of hot dog for catfish, and then this happened. Whoa! Dude, no way. You ain't giving up. Damn. There she is. Let's go. There she is. Catfish. He's about, I don't know, it's about 3 or 4 pounds. I caught 2 more bass, but my camera didn't get the shot good. Overall, it was a pretty good day. I caught 3 bass and 1 catfish, which I haven't caught in a while in this pond. As always, stay tuned for more fishing.